So this is Math 85, section 2.3, number 7. And this question asks us to graph the function f of x equals 1/4 x minus 4. Use the line tool to draw the line x equals 4. And then use the dot tool to graph the point f 4 and f of 4. So the first thing we want to do when we are graphing f of x is to plot the y-intercept and then use the slope 1/4 to rise and run. And so for the equation of f of x equals 1/4 x minus 4, the y-intercept is 0 and negative 4. So if I was going to plot that, I would go to 0 and negative 4, and I would make a dot. And then in order to use the slope, I would go with the slope of 1/4. That tells me that this is rise over run. And so I'm going to go up 1 and over 4 and make a dot, plot a point. And so these 2 points together actually end up making the line f of x equals 1/4 x minus 4. So that's the first function that we need to plot. Now we're going to plot x equals 4. And to plot x equals 4, this is just a vertical line at x equals 4. And so we would plot 4 on the x and draw that line down straight through 4, up and down all the way through x equals 4. The last piece that we need to do is plot the point 4 and f of 4. And so we're going to plot 4 on the x-axis, but for the f of 4 point, we have to take this and plug it into our equation for x and find out exactly what is f of 4. So 1/4 times 4, or 4/1, is 4/4, which is 1, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And so the point that we're actually going to plot here is 4, negative 3, so I'm going to go over 4 and down 3, and it actually ends up being this point right here where the x equals 4 and the f of x equals 1/4 x minus 4 intersect. And so now we have all 3 pieces plotted on the graph. If you have any other questions about this, please let me know. Thank you.